important. Our second number of the day, 2.7. All right. Last number, 78.3 billion. And this is the IMF disbursement. Now the executive board of the International Monetary Fund concluded the 7th and 8th reviews under the Extended Fund Facility and the arrangement under the Extended Credit Facility, that is ECF, approved in April 2021, and a review under the Resilience and Sustainability Facility, RSF, arrangement approved in July 2023 with Kenya. The executive board's decision allowed the immediate disbursement of $485.8 million under the EFF and ECF arrangement and $120.3 million under the RSF arrangement, totaling to $606.1 million, which, when you turn it into Kenyan shillings, it is actually 78.3 billion shillings. IMF is here. There's been a few challenges with the bills and some of the conditionalities that they have put. This disbursement, does it come in handy for the government right now where it is fiscally speaking?
It does come in handy because there is a cash crunch in the economy. This amount was expected in June, but because of the Gen Z situation we had in June, it was delayed. So it means counties have not been able to receive money. Many suppliers, contractors have not been paid. So the last 3 months have been a challenge. So it's timely that these funds are coming in. We were expecting 113 billion shillings. That has dramatically come down to 78, but I think it's going to ease the liquidity crunch we are currently seeing in the economy.
Okay, that's very interesting. And lastly, before I let you go, we are seeing also, because we are expecting more, the government is expecting more from IMF, and here we have less. Now, on the other side, will Kenyans be on the receiving end, especially with some of the propositions that we've seen recently in regards to tax collection?
Well, in what sense?
In a sense that we... the ramp up, the pressure on the government to collect revenue goes even higher. Look, even for example, the phone situation that we were discussing with Moses Kuria. Very interesting, trying to find pockets within the economy to sort of extract. Is this the consequence, the other side of not maybe being on plan with some of these arrangements that we have with Bretton with institutions?
Well, I think it comes down to our tax policy. And I think a lot of people were asking, once Mbadi comes into office, will we see a shift in tax policy? Will we move to a progressive tax policy? I don't think we've seen that yet. I think what we've seen are what you call tactical moves, where you try and reduce tax expenditures like VAT refunds or what you've just mentioned. And that can only work for so long. What Kenya badly needs is a total rethink of our tax policy and really putting it in a progressive way that can be sustainable. I think that is really what the Kenya Kwanza government now needs to embark on very quickly.
Definitely. Thank you very much, Ken Gishinga.
Thank you.
Enjoy your holiday, and thank you very much for sacrificing your holiday
thank you.
Here with us. Thank you very much for joining with us over the past half hour right here on Business Today Biz Chat. It's been incredible. It is said that however angry you are, your anger cannot boil yams. That is from West Africa. My name is Noah Kipkembo. We are out. Enjoy your holiday. It's a long break, and have yourself a blessed weekend. We are out.